Trump administration's plan to redefine what counts as a professional degree would exclude nursing and limit how much student loan money students can get. It's a big deal for a lot of grad students. Many rely on federal loans to cover the cost of college, but starting next year, that money could be capped at just $20,000 a year. And while the change doesn't affect undergrads, many nursing and healthcare programs fall outside of this new definition of a professional degree. The Education Department says most students shouldn't worry, claiming that 95% of nursing students already borrow below the new annual cap. But data from the National Center for Education Statistics contradicts that, showing graduate-level nursing programs cost on average more than $30,000 a year. That's nearly $10,000 more than the new limit every single year, meaning students in those programs could suddenly find themselves borrowing loans with higher interest or finding ways to cover the cost of tuition themselves.
Coming from a low-income sort of background and being first generation, I do rely a lot on those funds to support my education. And yeah, it's very important to have that financial support from the government and from several grants and loans. It is very unfair, to think about.
Yeah. Now here in San Diego, we've reported for months on nurses and healthcare workers striking for better pay and safer working conditions. For many of them, the idea of taking out additional private loans with higher interest rates and fewer protections feels like yet another barrier to entering a field that's already struggling with worker shortages and burnout. Now, the Department of Education says this decision isn't final. They could make changes after hearing from the public during the comment period. For ABC 10 News, I'm Olivia Gonzalez-Britt.